I need you to send to me what you would like to present. If you want to do the skit, if you're alone in the house, and you can still act something with your father or with your mom or with your sibling. But if you have another sibling, if you have maybe some of you are 3 or 4 in the same house or 5, all of you should act together. Okay, so you have to do something together. It's just a little skit that will be like between 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Some of you did very well last year. I remember some people, Amalachi acted with her mom. So if you don't have anybody to do something, do it with your mom, with your uncle, or with your dad, or with your sibling. So that's what you're going to do. All right. So at least 3 minutes skit. And when I say skit, so it can be like a drama. Come up with something. It's just something your mom or your dad can help you put something together. But it has to be in Igbo. Please put something together. But I need the list from today till Friday, next Friday. I need to have the list. If you want to play drum, if you want to do drumming, show us how to play the drumming. Okay, drum. Then what you need to do, okay, you say your name, your state. I'm going to send all this instruction to your parents and to you. If you have phone, you will get it when I post it. Okay, when I posted something on Friday. I don't know if you have seen it already, but I need you to respond to me as soon as possible, because I don't want to have so many people doing one category. Okay, at least 2, 3 people in each category. I don't want everybody want to do skate, or everybody want to do drumming, everybody want to do but when it comes to spelling and Igbo numbers contest and cooking contest and the drawing contest, remember how we did it last year? If you're going to do drawing, then your narrative will be in Igbo. Tell us what you're doing, what your drawing represents, what it's all about. You have to narrate it in Igbo. But everything has to be between at least 3 minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes is okay. Somebody is raising hands. Zora, you have to wait until when the time comes. Okay, let me finish what I'm saying. Then either Cheta or Zara, I'll give you a chance to ask questions. So make sure that whatever you're going to present is going to be within 2 to 3 minutes. If it's going to be cooking, if it's going to be drawing, I don't want it to be too lengthy because we have a lot of people presenting something. Okay, but when it comes to welcome song, so everybody is going to do that one. Everybody is doing it. It's not something one person will do. Okay, but then other songs, one person like I will let you guys do it, maybe 1 or 2 people doing it. Okay, then when it comes to the other one, group. Okay, so if you're not going to be present, if we televise it, so there will be a way for you to do your own. Okay, we're going to have a slide there, that way we play it. So please, I need you to make sure you are preparing. Don't wait for me. I said this in the beginning of January. Start doing it now. Don't wait maybe till the last minute. When you wait till the last minute, then you're not going to perfect on what you're going to do. So parents, if you are here listening, I need you to help our younger ones and then our teenagers. The younger adults, you know what to do. And I remember talking to somebody, one of the students, young adult. You can act with your child or with your baby, come up with something unique. We're also going to have like a fashion show. So if you're going to be present in Atlanta, come with African attire, at least 2. Come with your African attire, both boys and girls. Bring your African attire. Okay, so the fashion show, you know how it goes. So everybody. So if you have a question, feel free to ask questions. Don't say, oh, okay, I know I'm going to do a fashion show. No, ask questions so that you prepare very well. All this is, we have prizes for them. So all these contests, we have prizes for them. If you want to win something, try to practice. Then when it comes to the numbers, now listen to me now. when we did it last year. So I didn't tell you guys what you're going to, the area. All I said was, make sure you know your numbers from 1 to billion. 1 to billion, because you never know where the questions, what the number that I'm going to ask you. And this time, because we are doing it live, so because I want the audience, people coming from all over, to know that you don't even know what we are going to ask. So that day, this is what we are going to do. Where somebody, one of the parents is going to come out and ask, give the people and the audience papers to write the numbers they will like us to ask you guys. And then they will come up with numbers. There, you guys won't even know. They will write the numbers and the parents will collect all these numbers. And that's what we are going to ask you, because we want them to know what we are doing is authentic, that you know what you're doing. Because if we don't do it that way, they will think that we prepared you guys with those numbers. So I want you to know ahead of time that I might be the one asking the question. It might be one of the board members. It might be one of the visitors, okay? One of the people that came to see that will be there that day. So you never know. I want you to know that the numbers will be from 1 to a billion. So you get prepared for that. That way, whenever, whatever is going to be, you are ready for it. And then when it comes to spelling, we will also do the sentence. Let them write the words that they would like you guys to spell. Okay, because the prize is gonna really be a big prize. Okay, so get ready for numbers, spelling. And today we are going to do a little bit of the spelling. That way you get used to what we are doing. Okay, so we collect all these things from them. Once you know the formula, like we did the numbers. So the same way we're going to do in Igbo letters. If you know your alphabet, you should be okay. If you know how to pronounce your alphabet, you should be okay. All right, so we're going to do a few number of them. Okay, Cheta or Zara, you were raising your hand. Go ahead and raise your hand again. Let me unmute you, because I want to give you guys opportunity to ask me questions when it comes to what we are doing that day. And if you have a hard time coming up with what you're going to do, let me know. But tell your parents they should help you out. And now there's a parents, if you're listening, I will still also send a message out. Atlanta Igbo School T-shirt is coming out. From May, the month of May, beginning of May, we are going to bring, send out a video that all of you, I will assign you what to say in Igbo. And we are going to compile all this video. We send it out to people, telling them about our event. Every one of you will say something. You say your name, your state. So I want you to perfect on whatever I'm going to give to you. And I'm going to send the t-shirts out. So parents, the t-shirt might be from $10 to $15. So we are still trying to construct the t-shirt. Once we send it out and it's ready, I will need the address. Everybody will send me the address, and then I will send the t-shirt out to all of you. You have your t-shirt. Whether you're coming or not, you will play a role there. And that video, you are going to put on your t-shirt and say what you're going to say in Igbo before we send it out. So I want you to know that right now. But it's going to be at May, from May 1st till the end of May. But I will send you what you're going to say. Just watch it out. So I'm going to start writing it and send it out. Let's say, give me a week or two to get it done. And then I said, it will be like a line or two. It won't be something that is hard, but you have to know it, and you'll be looking at them and looking out. You're not going to read it from the paper. You have to be looking at us and say it. So you need to know it fluently, okay? Say your word fluently. Okay, so Cheta, unmute yourself. Okay, can you unmute?
Can I dance?
Huh? You want to dance?
Yeah.
Okay, Cheta, your mom is going to bring 3 of you to practice today. If you know you live in Atlanta, all of you will come to general rehearsal we have today. We have rehearsal today, 3:30 to 5:30. So Cheta, your mom knows already. So she's bringing you guys to practice. So we have rehearsal tomorrow, not today, tomorrow, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. So I will send your mom the address. So if you don't know already, if you know you are in Atlanta, make sure you come to rehearsal tomorrow. We have rehearsal tomorrow, general rehearsal. We are going to practice the welcome song. We are practicing drumming. We are practicing dance. And what is it again? So we have a lot of stuff to practice tomorrow. So many things to do tomorrow. But if you know you are not in Atlanta, I will still send out the welcome song again and the lyrics. But I know most of you have it. But for new ones that registered this year, I will send it out again for you to see. And then, okay, Shata, did I answer your question?
Yeah, but say our mom doesn't.
Okay. Dalo. See some Chiamaka. Okay,
My
Chiamaka.
mom doesn't have WhatsApp.
It's okay. Your mom gets information because you don't have a phone and you are not on WhatsApp, but your mom and dad, they're on WhatsApp, so they get information. But I call your mom and I spoke today. I told you how already, okay? You guys are coming to practice tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I see you guys tomorrow, 3 of you. Okay. All right, Chiamaka Ngwa, ask your question.
Chiamaka Ewan Ajuju.
Ngwa Juona Ajuju.
So I really wanted to sing like all the lyrics, but I find it hard to like pronounce them and how to pronounce them and sing them at the same time. So is it okay if you can
let me ask you this, Chiamaka. I know you still have a question. So what time do you come back from school? Because I know you're coming to Atlanta and you're singing live here. What time do you come back from school?
2:36 sometimes, 2:36, 2 o'clock.
Okay, so now on Tuesday, you and I are going to practice. I will call you on WhatsApp 7 p.m. Is it okay for you?
Yes, that's fine.
So I'll call you on WhatsApp 7 p.m. and we are going to practice because you are coming to Atlanta and I want you to know it very well, okay? Okay, Emailer. Emailer. Somebody else, let me see. Cheta, you're still raising your hand, but is it Adez? Adez, are you raising your hand? Okay, no other question. Okay, so if you have question, I want you to keep it till at the end of the class, okay? I'll give you a space to answer question, but I want us to touch base on the spelling today because I want you to know it. If you still have question about the event, keep it, write it down so that you won't forget. You ask me a question, okay? Later. Chinelo, okay, Chinelo. Okay, one more person. Okay, ask your question. Unmute yourself. Okay.
My question is, what's a dog in Igbo?
Dog is nkita. Dog is nkita. Woya, can you say that? Can you say nkita?
Nkita.
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 Yes. We still do animals' name. So animals' name. So we're going to do them, but not today, okay? So let's do spelling because that's one of the things that you guys are going to do is a contest, cooking contest, drawing, but you need to know all these things. So let's do a spelling today. I want you to know how to spell Igbo words because it's not the same in Igbo, in English. The same way you speak English one. Okay, go ahead.
I thought we were doing animals today.
No, we are not doing animals today because we have something, we have some spellings to do today, but we do animals, okay? We still do animals, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you say thank you?
Dalu.
Emaila, Chigazrim. Okay, so let's go ahead and do spelling. Spelling is ahịrịokwu, okay? Ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. So we say spelling. Ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. 1 second. Ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. Okay, so let's make it 20. Oh, cool. All right. So now we say number 1. Efere. 2. Aka. Otu is 1. Efere. Abụọ means 2. Aka. Atọ, which is 3, is anya. Let's say ọkara. So okwute. Okay, so the first nkembu means the first one. You look at number 1, nkembu. So the way now the panelists, one of the judges will say, Chigozrim kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nke mbụ, efere. Then this is how you say it. Efere. Efere. Just like you do with the spelling bees in English. If you're spelling a plate, okay, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate, you have to mention the word again. Don't just say plate, P-L-A-T-E. You stop there. No, don't stop there. You have to say P-L-A-T-E, plate. Okay. Efere, eferebo. F-E-R-E, efere. And remember, you're not going to be writing it anywhere. You're not going to be looking at it somewhere. I might, for the beginners, not for the intermediate class, for the beginners, I might, let's see what happens. Say, okay, give you a paper to write it. So let's see if the board member will say, okay, it's okay to allow you guys to write it before you spell it. But remember, you guys did it last year, didn't write it. So we're going to try again this year and see. So now, you know the Igbo alphabet. E is E, F is Fe, E, R is Re, E is E. So you have to know your alphabet to be able to do this. You have to know your alphabet, please. Because if you don't know how to pronounce the alphabet, then you won't be able to spell. And that's why we always start Igbo lesson, the beginner class, with alphabets. Okay. Efere. Onye kachi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu. The way I'm saying it, okay. So let me say this. Let me write it down. Kpọpụtara anyị. So the way they are going to tell you in Igbo, because I might not be the one to say this. I might not be the one, even if I'm the one, this is how I'm going to say it. For example, we will say, kpọpụtara anyị kpọpụtara anyị ahịrị okwu Then we go to number 1, efere. Some people say afere, but we're using efere. So we're going to use the, if they tell you afere instead, if it's afere, it's a, fe, e, re, e, afere. If they tell you pronounce efere, say e, fi, e, re, e, efere. So if you get it, if you get the spelling right, then you will hear ozataraya. Then people will clap for you. I got korogaka. Then if you exceed your time, you hear a bell. If you miss the question, if you miss it, you will also hear a bell. Okay? But if you get it, you will hear ozatarai, means he or she got it. Okay? And then people will clap for you. That's how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be fun. So you prepare for it. All right, so now, now remember, the O should be punctuated. You need to know your vowels. You have to know you need to know it. No two ways about it. You have to. It's something that you need to know, not something that if you like or if you want to, unless if you don't want to know it. But if you're going to contest, and I encourage every one of you, please try to join. Please, I want you to join. Try your best. Try, and that's why we're doing this class. And we repeat the spelling next week, and then I know she wants us to do animals. So we do it. We're going to do animals and then spelling again. Okay, so we're going to put popo, then popo. Also, we need to punctuate you. O, popo. The O, taranye. Popo taranye means pronounce, spell. Spell the word efere. Anye means us. Because the person asking the question is asking on behalf of everybody that will be in there. The hall is big. So everybody in there, so he or she will be asking the question on behalf of everybody. Can you spell, okay, to us or for us, the word efere or afere? Ahiroku means the word. Ahiroku spelling, okay? Now you say eferebo. You can say, or you can say efere, F-E-R-E, efere. If they say afere, I keep repeating because I need you to know the spelling. And not when they tell you. I don't want you to go and memorize efere. When you hear efere, you're like efere, you spell efere, you are wrong. Okay, please. You don't need to memorize it. You need to know the formula, how to spell by knowing your alphabets. Efere, E-F-E-R-E, efere. If it is afere, A-F-E-R-E, afere. Now, nke abụọ means number 2. Nke abụọ, because they might ask the question, they might even jump and say, they might not list it like this. It might be Chukwode kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu anya. Now, don't forget N and Y. They are together. They are just one alphabet. I need you to know this. It is one alphabet. They are together. So you know how to pronounce this alphabet. Look at the table, alphabet table, and you see NY is pronounced as nye. If it is N alone, it's ne. Y alone is ye. So don't see this because you can tell from the pronunciation of the word. Anya, anya. Then you start anya. A, nye, a, anya. 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 That's how you say it. Then they can say Chinwe. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu aka. And Chinwe we say aka. 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 Aka means hand. You know what is aka? Aka means hands. Okay, let me just put it. Anya, eye. Okute means stone. Efere or efere means plate. Now, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu asụsụ. Asụsụ. Asụsụ, you know asụsụ means language. Asụsụ means language. Okay, asụsụ is language. Asụsụ Igbo, Igbo language. Asụsụ Oyibo, English language. Okay, asụsụ French, see, French language. That's what it is. So asụsụ means language. Okay, so now, when I finish giving you example, get ready. I'll be calling your name to spell. And now we're going to put ire, means tongue. You know that. Or let's say Aziza. Aziza. Aziza means room. That's it. Now let's see. Okute. Okute means stone. Okay. Okute means stone. Okute. Now see how you spell it. If you know your alphabet. O. Don't forget W and K and W. One alphabet. It is one alphabet together. O, Q, U, T, E. Okute. O, Q, U, T, E. Okute. Okay, remember in Igbo alphabet, O, Q, Q. KW is Q. U without a dot is U. T is T. E is E. So O, Q, U, T, E. Okute. Now, when it comes to so we punctuated the U because of the sound, the vowel sound. Aso. We didn't say asu. If it is U, then there will be no dot. If it's O, there should be a dot. So is A, se, O, se, O. So. Okay, it's fun. It's fun the way we spell Igbo words. So have fun doing it. Trust me. So is A, se, O, se, O. So. All right. Now, if it's Aziza, Aziza is broom. Broom. Okay. Aziza is broom. A-Z-E-Z. Now, pay attention. The vowel rules. Okay. So, because the A and the A started the word, you should know whether we should punctuate I up and down. So remember, we're going to do that though. We did it before, but we review. So we need to punctuate this A. You are not going to do the punctuation when you're answering this question. Don't worry about that. But I just want you to learn how to pronounce, how to spell today. Not how to prepare. Pay attention to your sounds, okay? So we need to punctuate the A. So according to the vowel rule. So we should have both both up and down. Aziza. Ikenna wetara m aziza. Okay, Cheta. Ga weta aziza means go get me a broom. Okay, aziza is a broom. All right. Aziza. A-Z-E-Z-A. Aziza. Don't forget when you finish spelling, you're going to say the word Aziza. Okay? Now let's spell Onyinye. Onyinye. Onyinye means gift. Onyinye means gift, and it's also someone's name. Okay? Onyinye. All right? We didn't hear Onyinye. Oh, so we are not going to punctuate the O because what we had is O. Onyinye. Onyinye. And it's O. And don't forget again, N-Y, because what we had is Nye. So N and Y are together. That's one letter, one alphabet. They are not separate. Onyinye. Now, O, Ni, E, Ni, E. Onyinye. O, Ni, E, Ni, E. Onyinye. Now, I'm going to ask somebody. If you know, if you want to try, raise your hand. I'm not going to call somebody, but I'll let you volunteer yourself to spell. Let's practice. And don't feel shy because we are learning. Okay? You are learning. If you don't get it, trust me, all I'm here to do is to help you learn. Okay? In here, the munuche. Okay? I guess you want to try. 2 people. But in here, the munuche, the kone will so somebody spell uku. Okay. Oku. Oku. We need to punctuate it. Oku means leg. And we're going to punctuate it. I'm gonna give you guys a little not so hard ones. Oku. Oku. Oku means leg. Okay, let me unmute here dim nuche. Makodi kone weliaka. Here dim nuche. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Here dim nuche. Unmute yourself. Oku.
Hold on. Okay.
Ngwana.
Am I, wait, you already spelled it out, though.
No, you're going to be the one to do it, not me.
Oh, yeah. Oku. You.
No, you have to remember. How do you pronounce the U in Igbo alphabet? The U with dot. What is it again?
U.
O.
U.
And don't forget K and W supposed to be together. And so I need you to do that. So go ahead and spell it. Okay, ihe dị m n'uche. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu okwu. Okay, ngwa.
Okay. Oku, you for dog.
No. O. Don't say you. O.
U. Kwa. U. Oku.
No. You didn't spell it. I need you to spell it. See, now watch me. No, Nankasa, which is 7. Onyinye. O. The N and Y are together. Nye. E. Nye. E. Onyinye. Now watch me again. Nankano, which is number 4. Watch. O. Kwe. U. Te. E. Okute. Now, you see the form, you see how you go about it. Now, the U with a dot is O. The KW together is Kwe. The U with a dot, O. Na hedim nuche. Popotara ani ahirokwu. Okwo.
Okwo. O. Kwe. O. Okwo.
Yeah, but there you go. At least you dialogue is o kwe o okwo o kwe o okwo o kwe o okwo o kwe o okwo. Ihe dị m n'uche achọrọ m ka ị kwuo ya. Kwuo o kwe o okwo. Ihe dị m n'uche. Ihe dị m n'uche ọ na ebe ahụ. O kwe o okwo.
O kwe o okwo.
Yes, daalụ. Achọrọ m ka onye ọzọ daalụ ihe dị m n'uche. Achọrọ m ka ihe dị m n'uche nwere ajụjụ. Ihe dị m n'uche ị nwere ajụjụ?
Mba.
Aha, daalụ mba. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu? Eze. Eze. Ka ndị na-eweli aka elu. Kamsi. Kamsi, ngwa kpọpụtara anyị eze.
Eze.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Eze bụ eze.
Eze. Eze. Remember I said when you say it, when you finish spelling it, you need to say the word again. When I say Kamsi, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu eze, then you start by saying eze bụ eze. Eze. Can you say that?
Okay. I know. Okay. Eze bụ eze. Eze.
Eze. Can you say that?
Eze.
Eze. Dalo, 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 dalo. Eze means your teeth. Let's keep going. I don't want to. I'll put the meaning letter. So eze means your teeth. Oh no. So So what you had is no. We need to punctuate it. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị? Oh no. I'm coming. Wait. Let me punctuate. So we need to punctuate because the sound. Okay. Oh no. So come on, ndị na-eweli aka elu. Ka m si ịzago, aga m ewetu aka gị. Chigoziri m. Chigoziri m ọ Chinelo ngwa. Gbapụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọnụ.
No.
Now listen, I want you to pronounce the word ọnụ. Then you spell it and then pronounce the word again. All right?
Oh no. No.
No, go ahead and spell it. Now go ahead. It's ọnụ. Chiziri m. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọnụ. Ngwa.
No.
No, you need to spell it. So I need you to pay attention, okay? But you tried it. Dalo. Kedu onye ọzọ na-eweli aka elu? Amarachi ode n'Igbo. Ngwa Amarachi, unmute yourself. Amarachi, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọnụ.
Ọnụ. Ọnụ.
Kwuo ya ọzọ, Amarachi. Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again.
Ọnụ. Ọnụ.
Okay, good. You try, but listen. I want you to, the end is ne. O, ne, o. Ọnụ. Can you say that?
Ọnụ.
Dalo, Amarachi. Okay, I'm going to mute everybody. If you're going to spell something, then I unmute you. Okay. Let's see. Nkuzi. Nkuzi is teaching, okay? Teach. Nkuzi. Ikuzi is to teach. Nkuzi is teaching, okay? So let's put punctuation where it's supposed to be. Nkuzi. Okay. Nkuzi. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nkụzi ka m ahụ ndị na-eweli aka elu? Chiamaka Nwekwu. Ngwa Chiamaka kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nkụzi. Chiamaka ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Ngwa kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nkụzi.
Nkụzi. N-K-O-Z-Z-E. Nkụzi.
Chiamaka kwuo ya ọzọ.
N-K-O-Z-E. Nkụzi.
Okay, Chiamaka, now the U without a dot, how do you pronounce it?
O.
No. The one without a dot is U.
U.
Can you U? Now the one with a dot is O.
U.
Now the O with a dot is O. You see the difference? Because I think you are mistaken the O and the O. So this U with a dot is O. The I is A, not E. Okay? Now I want you to do it again, Chiamaka. Nkuzi.
Nkuzi. N.
No. Ne.
Ne. Ke. O.
No. O.
U. U. Z. E.
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 K-O-Z-E. K-O-Z-E. Okay. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Nkuzi. N-K-U-Z-E.
Now, O, I need you to pronounce this U with a dot. O.
O.
Yes, that's how you do it, okay? K-O-Z-E. Nkuzi. All right?
Nkuzi.
Okay. Yes, nkuzi. Dalo. Let's say one more or two people. Let's see. Okay. Nyerem. Nyere. Okay. Okay, nyere. No. So let's say Amarachi. Amara. Let's say Amara. Okay, kedu onye ga-emere anyị Amara? Kedu onye na-eweli aka elu? Chimde, Amara.
Amara bụ A.
Okay, ịgbalịrị ngwa. Chimde. The A is A. Okay, see how you say it. A, me, A, re, A. Amara. Chimde.
Amara bụ A, me, A, re, A.
Amara. So that's how you say it. Chimde, kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again. Amara.
Amara bụ A, me, A, re, A. Amara.
Dalo, Chimde. Okay. I'm going to mute you now because I guess they're making a lot of noise over there. So let me see one more. Let's spell Chigozie. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu Chigozie? Is that Chisom? Okay, Chisom. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu Chigozie. Unmute yourself.
Chigozie.
Yeah, Chigozie. Remember, Chi, they're together. CH together. Okay?
Okay.
Now, ngwa achọrọ m ka ị gbalịa. Ka ị gbalịa means to try. Gbalịa means try, okay? So achọrọ m ka ị gbalịa. Try, just try. Ngwa. Chisom ngwan, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
Chigozie.
So, who will try? Okay. I need you to pay attention. Chisum, okay. Chiamaka Ezago. Ocheta. Cheta ngwanu na-eweli aka elu.
Aha m bụ Chiọmachi.
Oh, Zara. Okay, Zara ngwa. Zara ngwanu. Chigozie.
Chi e g o z i e.
Ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Chigozie. Chi e g o.
How do you say G? How do you say G? G. G. Can you say it? And Wabidonisi, start from the beginning. Chigozie.
Chi e g o z e.
How do you say I?
E.
Huh? Go on.
Okay.
You tried very well. Okay. Chigozie. 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 Okay. So, all right, we will do more. We do more next week. That will help you. But I'm gonna send some out. Okay, what we did today. I put the meaning. We'll also do animals next week. But we need to get ready for the event. The numbers, keep practicing your numbers. Keep practicing your spelling. Then send me what you are presenting. Don't waste time. Your skit, what you want to do, send it with your name or what you are doing with your siblings. Parents, please, if you're here, help them out. Young adults, send me what you're doing. I have intermediate class. So please, 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 send your information. We are running out of time. We have only more 3 months. Please, send me what you are doing. You need to start preparing. We are not going to wait until the last minute. All of you, if you live in Atlanta, don't miss practice tomorrow. We have general practice tomorrow, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Okay? If you know you live in Atlanta, don't miss practice. All right, I'm gonna unmute everybody. Kemesiano. Everybody unmute. All right.